Hello and welcome to my channel, where I talk about all things Tesla and electric vehicles. In this video, I'm going to discuss how Tesla grew 40% in China in 2023, delivered 76,000 EVs in December alone, and what it means for 2024. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Tesla had a phenomenal year in 2023, especially in China, the world's largest EV market. According to the China Passenger Car Association, Tesla sold 603,664 China-made vehicles in 2023, up 37% from 2022. Tesla also exported 344,078 vehicles from its Shanghai factory to other markets, up 27% from 2022. In total, Tesla delivered 947,742 vehicles from its Shanghai plant in 2023. Representing a 33% increase from 2022 and nearly matching the factory's current capacity. Tesla's strong performance in China was driven by several factors, such as the introduction of the refreshed Model 3 and Model Y, which featured significant upgrades in battery, powertrain, and interior design. Tesla also benefited from the government's stimulus efforts to boost the post-COVID recovery, which included subsidies, tax breaks, and infrastructure spending for the EV sector. Tesla also leveraged its brand recognition, customer loyalty, and technological leadership to fend off the rising competition from local rivals, such as NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto. Tesla's momentum continued in December, when it delivered 76,663 vehicles in China, an increase of 16% compared to December 2022. This was the second highest monthly delivery number for Tesla in China, only behind March 2023, when it delivered over 76,000 vehicles. Tesla's December deliveries were also boosted by the strong demand for the Cybertruck, which started production in Austin, Texas, in November and began shipping to China in December. The Cybertruck, which is Tesla's first pickup truck, has attracted a lot of attention and enthusiasm from Chinese customers, who appreciate its futuristic design, rugged performance, and spacious interior. So, what does this mean for Tesla in 2024? Well, there are many reasons to be optimistic about Tesla's prospects in the new year. First of all, Tesla is expected to ramp up the production and delivery of the Cybertruck, which has over 1.3 million reservations worldwide and could become a game-changer for the pickup truck market. Second, Tesla is also rumored to launch its $25,000 vehicle, which could tap into the mass market segment and make EVs more affordable and accessible to millions of consumers. Third, Tesla is also working on improving its autonomous driving technology, which could give it a competitive edge over other automakers and create new revenue streams from services such as robot access and software updates. Of course, Tesla also faces some challenges and risks in 2024. One of them is the uncertainty around the interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve, which could affect the consumer demand and financing costs for EVs. Another challenge is the intensifying competition from both traditional and new entrants in the EV space, who are investing heavily in innovation, marketing, and expansion. A third challenge is the potential regulatory and political hurdles that Tesla may encounter in China, such as trade tensions, data security, and consumer rights. However, I believe that Tesla has the ability and the resilience to overcome these challenges and continue its growth trajectory in 2024. Tesla has proven time and again that it can deliver on its promises, exceed expectations, and innovate faster than its competitors. Tesla also has a loyal and passionate fan base, a visionary and charismatic leader, and a mission-driven culture that sets it apart from other companies. Tesla is not just a car company, it is a movement that is changing the world for the better. That's all for this video. I hope you found it informative and interesting. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.